Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Vivi Putri-Improving. I'm from English department. Here I will present my PowerPoint. The title is Improving Students' Reading Skill by Using Quantum Learning. Writing by Journal of English Language and Education. Introduction. English is an international language and has important role in communication. English as a foreign language has been taught from elementary school up to the university level. English has four skills, namely listening, speaking, reading, and writing, which have to be mastered by students. Method. This research used Chemist and Taggart's model 1988 with four steps. They were 1. Planning, 2. Acting, 3. Observing, 4. Reflecting. Planning. Planning was the first step in setting what was done, such as set up strategies or media and how to improve what was already happened before to be better. In this step, the researcher did the interview, observation, and pretest. Besides that, the researcher discussed the lesson plan, material, and syllabus for learning. Acting. Acting was a process in doing what has planned. In this stage, the researcher designed the lesson plan and materials using QL. Then the researcher implemented quantum learning method in the class. Observing. Observing means a process to know or find out what happened in doing action in the classroom. In observing step, the researcher observed the class activities to find out the problem, students' interests, and obstacles in learning process. Reflecting. Reflecting means process to evaluate the activities that has been done in the classroom. The research evaluates the result of learning process to get feedback whether it runs well or not. Besides that, the researcher analyzed pre-test and post-test to know their scores whether it increased or not. Findings and discussions. Findings and discussions. 1. Need analysis. 2. The students' interest in learning reading using quantum learning. 3. The result of students' improvement in reading skill. Conclusions. Based on the result of the data calculation, it can be concluded as follows. The first was students' reading skill can be improved by using quantum learning. The students could understand the materials or text easily by using the mind mapping. They could comprehend the given text because the researcher provided the keywords and pictures about the text. Besides, the researcher could create the learning activities were more enjoyable. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Mana nih?